up nice and tall. And wait for the directions because I think you're going to be excited about this. Osvaldo looks ready. Yuretsi looks ready. Waiting on hands to be folded, backs to be straight. 3, 2, 1, 0. Awesome. 100% of the team is there. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a second when I say go to flip over this blue thing and look at what it is. You can talk about it, make some comments, connections. When I ask you to put it back down, flipped over, that's what you're going to do. You're going to listen. I'm going to explain it. In order for us to get through this and be the most prepared for our test on Thursday, we need to follow directions quickly. All right? So if I ask you to put down your card, what are you going to do?
Put it down.
If I ask you to be at a level 0, what are you going to do? What do you think happens if you're not meeting expectations with this? What do you think what would be a logical consequence if this was distracting you from doing your work and was slowing down our classroom learning? What would a logical consequence be? What might I do? Isis? I'm going to take it away. Yep, and that would be sad. You would miss a turn. But you don't even know what it is yet, so flip it over. Discuss. Please bring it back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Waiting on. Oh, everybody's there. Yay! We're going to be so prepared for our quiz. So, what do you guys notice? What are some things you notice about these cards? Track Olivia, please, friends. Show her respect. All eyes are on Olivia. Thank you. Like a square with missing parts. Interesting. Yep. What else do you notice? Isabella, eyes are on Isabella, please, friends. Ooh, that's a good hypothesis, but it's actually not showing you the perimeter. So I'm going to explain it to you quickly. You can flip it back over and look at it while I explain it. So the number on the outside is your number. In the computer, Alvin is number 8. Osvaldo is number 17. This is your own special picture that when Miss Angela's phone scans it, it registers, oh, that is Osvaldo's picture. And then you turn it, and you have A here, B here, C here, and D here. And when I come and scan, you hold it nice and straight like this, and I scan, and your answer goes into the computer up there. So it's like doing, when I ask you to do rock, paper, scissors, can I have ice? Rock, paper, scissors, and you show me 1, 2, 3, or 4 for A, B, C. That's what you're doing with this. You're just holding it a different way. So let's look. I want you guys to hold your card up as if the answer choice you want to show is A. It's going to be different on everybody's card, but A. A is going to be, hold it up, like A. That I would not be able to read because you're bending it. Richard's holding his up nice and straight. His fingers are not covering it. He's holding it up straight so that the computer, John, yours is not straight. Yours is kind of like this. My computer can't, the phone can't read it. Very good job, Jerica. Yep, yep. Put it down, face down. Up here in the corner. This is where it goes. Otherwise, you will lose it. Is that clear? The most important thing for me is you guys and your learning. So we're going to do the first question. So let's turn to the question, the first one that was starred. It was question number 1. Shannon bought 4 packs again. Let's go on this computer. Let's pull up here. Oh, password. Thank you. Not showing up. Let's refresh. There it is. Okay, awesome. So if you are on this side of the room, you're going to be my first group, and you're going to hold it up. Here are your names. When you get a blue check next to your name, I want you to put it down. Okay? Let's give this a try. So for this question, you're going to hold it up facing A, you want the A up if you chose A, the B up if you chose B, the C up if you chose C, and then the D up if you chose D. All right, voices off. Get your cards ready. This side of the room first. You guys just wait, okay? Go, hold it up. High, above your head. If your name is there, okay, I can't see anything. Got you, got you. Okay, this side, hold it up. Carla, you're good. Daniel, you're good. You guys are good. Giselle, you're good. Olivia, you're good. Osvaldo. Elijah, Valerie. Angel, Angel. Kevin. All right, let's see how we did. Are we missing? Nyla's gone. Isabella, I didn't get you. Hold it. Okay. All right. Put it down. I'm going to show the answer. Now, if you got it right, good job. If you got it wrong, is that embarrassing? No. Do we all make mistakes?
Yes.
Yeah. Are we all probably going to get a question wrong every once in a while? Yes. Have I gotten a question wrong?
Yes.
It just means we have to learn from it. Your brain doesn't grow when you know all the answers. Your brain grows when you don't quite know something and you have to struggle to figure it out, right? Okay, sit up nice and tall. So some of us got it right, some of us got it wrong. How about we go over it quickly? Sound good? Okay. All right. Shannon bought 4 packs of gum. How many packs?
4.
You guys have your pencil and paper. If you need to change or do work on your packet, you can. I'm just going to do it here to go through it quickly. There are 7 sticks of gum in each pack. She opened all of the packs and gave 6 sticks to Jordan. How many sticks of gum did she have left? Oof, can someone tell me their first step when they were solving this problem? What was your first step when solving this problem? I love those proud hands. Let's track Carla, friends. All eyes go to Carla because what she has to say is important.
I did 4 packs.
Okay?
I put the 7 sticks of gum,
Okay?
and I subtracted 6 from 1 pack.
Oh, interesting strategy. So she gave 6 away, so you took away 6 here, and that gave you 1, and then you added these up.
Yeah. Which one?
And what's 7 times 3?
21.
Okay, plus that one. Plus that one is 22. Did anyone do it a different way? Osvaldo, track Osvaldo, please, friends.
I did 7 times 4, and then I take away 6, and my answer was 22.
Great, so there were 7 sticks, and there are 4 packs. So it was 7 4 times, and that gives you 28, and then you took away the 6, and that gave you 22, so the correct answer was 22. Great job. Angel, can I have you erase the board for me, please? Could you find a thing to erase it and erase it, please, baby? Thank you. Next question. Okay. Now I'm going to pick another one. I'm still learning this. You guys are doing a really great job. All right. So this one is actually not the next one there. If you flip over to the next page, the one on apples. The one on apples. So the table shows the number of sacks that are needed to package different numbers of apples. Which number sentence shows the number of sacks that are needed to package 24 apples? Is anyone confused about what question we're on? No? Okay, so if you're on this side, I want you, we'll do this side first. Choose which your answer is. A, 24, make sure you're holding it correctly. When you see a blue check go next to your name, you may put it down. All right, ready? Hold it up, go. Oh, we don't need to call out. Cool. Over here, up. Did it read yours already, Jilla? Yeah. John, yours isn't straight on, that's why it's not reading it. Okay. Cool. Okay. Some got it right, some didn't. Let's talk about this. All right, so here is the table. Just a quick little peek. And we have, do you guys know what sacks are?
Yeah.
Plastic bags, right?
Yeah.
So it's apples, and then sacks. I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. And they've given us some information, and we need to figure out the missing one. Apples, 2 sacks. The sounds, please stop them. Thank you. Okay, so if there are 2 sacks, 1, 2, there are 8 apples. Now we're going to assume, are you ready for this, that there's the same number of apples in every sack. So if we have 2, and that gives us 8 in total, how many are in 1? How many apples are in 1 sack? That's always my first question when I look at this. If they don't tell me how many are in 1, I say, If 2 have 8, and they have the same amount, how many are in 1? Elijah Moore? 4. So there's going to be 4 here and 4 here. Now, in order to have 24 apples, if there's 4 in each one, how many sacks is that going to be? How many sacks is that going to be? So that gives us 24 divided into groups of 4. How many groups would that be? 6. 6 is the correct answer. And that's why we use 24 divided by 4 to get 6. 24 apples divided into groups of 4, 4 equal groups, gives us 6. Cool? Okay, put down your thing, please. Yes, Jane?
The way I solved it is easy because I knew
Track to Erica, please, friends.
I knew that 6 times 4 equals 24. So I did 24 divided by 4 and then it was 6.
So you knew that if it was in groups of 4, 6 4s would give you 24. Really good job. Please fold your hands and show me professional body. You guys are doing a really great job. We are able to go right through this. Okay, next one. You guys did well on that question. Okay, we're going to go to the one on walking a mile in a minute. This one was kind of tricky. It's question 2. If you're confused about where you are, please let me know. You're confused? Watch what happens. So for F, you're going to show A. If you chose G, you're going to show B. If you chose H, you're going to show C. If you chose J, you're going to show D. Everyone clear on what you're doing?
Yes.
Okay, our voices are now off. Our hands are to ourselves. Hold them up, please. She can walk 1 mile in 12 minutes. She can walk 2 miles in 24 and 3 miles in 36. Which table shows the number she can walk in 4, 5, and 6 miles? Some of us got it. Some of us got it right. Some of us got it incorrect. That's totally fine. Let's go over it. Hold your hands, sit up nice and tall, please. Let me go over it. So they had tables, and we needed to figure out how many was 4, 5, and 6. When I solve problems like this, I just like to solve it on my own first, like on a blank sheet of paper. Put your hands on top of your desk, please. And I look professional, thank you. And then I choose which one it matches with. So, what do we know? What do we know from this problem that's important information that will help us? What is some key information I could underline in here? Okay?
Every time it's adding 12 to a number.
What?
Every time it's adding 12 to a number.
They're adding 12. Okay, so why are they adding 12?
Because 1 mile is 12 minutes.
Okay, so 1 mile, this is my mile, this is 12 minutes. So for 2 miles, they're each 12. So that makes them 24. Okay, okay. So 1 mile's 12, 2 miles is 24, 3 is 36. So according to this, you're saying we're adding 12 however many miles they do? 12 for that number of miles. So if she ran 4 miles, how many times should we add 12 minutes? How many times should we add 12 minutes if she ran 4 miles and each mile is 12 minutes? Valerie?
4.
4. We should do 4 or 12 4 times, correct? What is that? What does 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 give us? Garretsi?
48.
That gives us 48 here. Cool. So now we're doing a 5th mile. So we need to do 12 5 times. We could do that, or what else could we do? What else could we do? Juliana?
5 times 12.
5 times 12, yep. Did anyone have an efficient strategy for that? Daniel, talk to Daniel, please.
What I did was I know that 1 mile she ran 12 minutes.
Yeah.
So, and I already knew that 4 was 48 minutes.